After double murder photo goes viral, students rise in anger. Many students hurt. In what could be termed as a horrific development during the ongoing crisis in Manipur, photos showing bodies of two students who went missing on July 6th emerged on social media last evening. The before and after murder photos of Phizam Hemanjit, age 20, and Hizam Linthoingambi, age 17, who were suspected to have been kidnapped and killed by 𝐾𝐲 terrorists went viral on social media after almost 2 months on September 25th. The photos that shows a duo with two armed 𝐾𝐲 terrorists behind them and the bodies of the two students lying on the ground sparked massive outrage among students and people of Manipur at large. Large number of police and RAF personnel stopped the anguished students of CC Higher Secondary School as they marched towards the CM bungalow, shouting slogans such as "We want justice, long live Manipur." The security forces fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to disperse the students after a moment of confrontation. Irate students of TG Higher Secondary School too tried to storm CM bungalow. Scuffle erupted between the students and security forces, injuring a girl student severely in the calf as his police fired tear gas shells directly at the students to disperse them. A boy also sustained injury on his leg in the clash, while many other students also sustained injuries. The injured students have been rushed to RIMS, Jenims and Raj Medicity. Students of Iboton Sana Girls Higher Secondary also took to street condemning the murder of Hemanjit and Linthoingambi and demanding justice. Students of DM College too staged protests at DM University compound against the brutal murder by 𝐾𝐲 terrorists.
Amagi langlang jin achum madu puthokpiyo habani kaigumba atuba matamda langlang jin puthokpiyo taragadi akoi satra singi oiba akan bai haw hojulakani haidi kaigumba community gi irang asida satra yahon bagi mathau kasu tade aduna government na tagana central government na mani akoi gi kwa satra singa taliba dimanasi ya atuba matamda yahanyo ara akoi ngasi akoi hujik siam banglo phau chake tabani da akoi central state force ka central force ka thingem bi yam ngajade akoi yamna thingma do akoi na chatan ma photo chachage akoi yamna sathina hisa tawge habju nati akoi yam sam samna release chake habani masida yam sarkar thimi basi yam nungai jade gas ka pai je kari gi no khoi ha pa pa mi ra ha ke ga nong mai du na